Hello guys, there is a good news for you that BARC has opened its online registration for MSc students, chemistry specialization, and we are talking here. So we'll see what is the eligibility criteria, what is the age limit, the selection procedure, fees, and the package. The position is for scientific officer C grade. So for this position, you have to see, you just type BARC Recruitment 2022 in Google, like I have done here, and you will see the first link. You have to click here. Since we are talking here about the science stream, so we will click here on science, and this will open. And here you have to go on important information. In that, first we will go for eligibility criteria, because this is most important, who is eligible. So first, this is mentioned for physics discipline, but we are talking here for chemistry. So here, MSc final year students, those who are currently studying in final year student, they are eligible, and the MSc pass out students are also eligible here. So MSc final year students and MSc pass out students are eligible. The students who are studying in first year MSc, they are not eligible for this test. Okay, and moreover, along with that, in BSc you should have in one of the semester physics as a subject. So this is the criteria. If you don't have physics in any of your semester, then again you are not eligible. Okay, so physics is required in one of the semester in your BSc. Okay, it's not necessary in all the semester, but one of the semester it is required. Along with that, in your standard 12, you should have mathematics. So if you are from bio background, like you have biophysics and chemistry, then you are again not eligible for this test. So the basic requirement is you should have mathematics in standard 12th and physics as one of the subject in one of the semester in BSc. Then you are eligible for this test. So there are actually two, moreover, along with that, again one condition, you should have 60% aggregate in your MSc as well as in your BSc. Okay, so BSc again you should have 60%, then only you are eligible. If you are having less than 60%, then again you are not eligible for this test. And for MSc pass out student, you are having your mark sheet, then 60% is the minimum requirement. Those who are studying in the final year, so they will give you the deadline to submit your mark sheet. If you are 60% having the 60% in your mark sheet, then only you will be confirmed as a post for the post. Okay, even you have gone through with your written test and interview, but they will wait for your mark sheet. So if the condition is 60% should be there. So these are the eligibility criteria. So if you are falling in this parameter, that you have 12th maths, BSc physics as one of the subject in one semester, and then MSc chemistry with 60% qualification in BSc and MSc, then you are eligible for this. Now you can see here that gate score they have mentioned here. So there are actually two methods to apply for this post. One is you can go for their online test and write the test, and if you qualify, then you are eligible for the interview. After interview only, if you qualify, then only you are eligible for the post. Second method is you can apply your gate score as well. So if you are having a valid gate score 2021 and 22 also, you will get as a gate exam is there in February, March you will get the result. So you will have both the scores, you can apply here. So either way, or you can apply, there is option that you can apply through both. You can apply through exam also, and you can apply through gate also. So whatever, this is the best method, like you have gate as well as entrance exam. So let's say if your gate score is not coming in the cutoff list, but if you qualify their exam, then you can opt for this interview. Otherwise, if you are overconfident about your valid gate score, and it may, unfortunately, if you don't qualify, then you are also not eligible for the test. So better is you have to apply through both if you are having GATE score. Okay, so the finally here they have mentioned this time that MSc in nanoscience, nanotechnology chemistry, industrial chemistry, applied chemistry and textile chemistry, M Pharma and environmental chemistry, these are not eligible this time. Okay, so if you belong to any of these streams, then again you are not eligible for the scientific officer C post. So specifically we are talking about chemistry here. So this is the eligibility criteria. Then we'll see the important dates. Okay, so you can see here the commencement of online application is today 17th January 2022. The last date is given here 11th February. But don't wait for the last date. If you are interested in this post, it's better to apply as soon as possible. Then you will get the center for your examination of your choice. So this is the submission. Last date of submission date is 12th February. You can book the online examination slot this between 4th to 18th of March because the exam is going to be online. Okay, and this online examination will held between 7th to 13th April. So this is important for us, that online examination will held between 7th to 13th of April. The last date, those who are applying the GATE score is 13th April. Then the shortlist candidate, they announce that who is shortlisted. They will announce the date and you can choose the interview date, right? So 28th April, they will announce the list of selected candidate, and between 30th to 4th May, 30th April to 4th May, you can select the interview slot. And the interview is going to held after the selection between 14th June to 31st July. Okay, so these are our important dates. In that you just have to see you if you are interested in the position, just fill the form as early as possible, and the exam is going to held between 7th to 13th of April. So this is regarding the important dates. So now we'll see the selection process. Selection process, as I told you, on the basis of the online examination. So online examination will be there, or you can apply through GATE score, or you can apply through both. You can go through with all the details here. Read it carefully for all the details. So we'll see about the age limit here. The age limit is for general category it is mentioned 26 year. For OBC it's 29. For SC and ST category it is 31 year. Nationality should be Indian. And the application fee is 500 for the male participant, and for women candidates or SC/ST candidates and the physically challenged student, the fees is exempted. It means there is no fees for women, SC/ST and physically challenged students, so it is free for you. For male participant and OBC categories, it is 500 rupees. So, and they have mentioned here regarding the final result, as I told you already, that they will wait and finally they will update. So, you have to submit it by January 31st, 2023. Okay, so your awaited mark sheet, those who are studying currently in MSc final year, then only they will confirm you. So, one more detail here regarding the here about online examination, right? So there are actually total 100 question MCQ based, and each question will carry 3 marks. So basically 300 marks question paper will be there, and there is a negative marking for each wrong. You will be having -1 mark. So you have to attempt it very carefully. Syllabus will remain the same if you are preparing for NET and GATE examination. So this is the same syllabus. If you have prepared well for NET and GATE, you can easily attempt BARC examination. You have to prepare only for the interview. So guys, if you dream of scientific officer and fulfill the eligibility criteria, then do apply as early as possible. All the best. Happy learning.